Hello students, yesterday I have explained about Tenali paints a horse of fourth lesson English, fourth lesson, okay. So yesterday I have explained about the scene 1 of Tenali Raman, okay. So in that conversation, three characters are there I told. The first one is the Tenali Raman, and the second one is the Raja Krishna Devaraya, the king of Vijayanagaram. And four quarters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters are there in this lesson. So Raja has a bet. See page number 59. In the page number 59, scene 2 is there. So we will continue from there itself. Okay. See here. A month is over. The quarters are waiting eagerly for Tenali to bring his painting. Okay. The Tenali Raman, Krishna Devaraya has given 1 month time for the Tenali to complete a painting, which was as good as half as good as the artist which was drawn. Okay. So here 1 month was passed away. A month is over. The quarters are waiting eagerly for Tenali to bring in his painting. The quarters, I told you there are 4 quarters sitting beside the King Krishna Devaraya, and with the turban, who is standing I told in the picture, with the turban Tenali is standing I told. So they are waiting very eagerly quarters. Next, they are smiling and whispering to each other. Why? Because in the court Tenali Rama has not attended. Okay, 1 month is completed. So after 1 month the Tenali has not reached to the court. So they are smiling to each other. Who was smiling here? Quarters are smiling to each other and whispering to each other. Now Raja is heard this whispering and speaking few words. What the Raja is telling? So what do we do today? Raja is asking for the quarters here. What they are asking? What he is asking? What shall we do today? First quarter is giving reply for Raja here. First quarter. Sir, the day has arrived when Tenali Raman shows his painting. Sir, the 1 month is passed away. Now the time has come for the Tenali to show his painting. Okay, Raja, where is he? Okay, Raja is asking, where is he? It's late and almost time for my lunch. The morning was passed away. Now we are approaching for the lunch. So it will be time for my lunch. Second quarter is telling, perhaps he is so busy with his painting that he has lost track of the day. He is so busy, I think so. Why? Because he forgot his way after making the painting. Third quarter. What the third quarter is telling? Perhaps his painting is so good that he can't bear to part with it. Third quarter is telling that, sir, his painting is so good he made, I think so. That's why he can't bear the happiness and he forgot the day to attend in the court. Next, Raja. Well, I can't wait anymore. Raja is telling, I can't. It was time for the lunch. I can't wait anymore. Somebody should go to his house and tell him that he has lost his bed and the bag of gold. Okay, the time is going on. So one should go to his home and they should tell that one should tell that Tenali has lost his bed and bag of gold. Fourth quarter. It's only fair that if he doesn't make good his boast, he should pay a penalty. Sir, he has made the bet with you, so he should have to pay the penalty. We should not leave for him simply. Okay, I feel he should pay the court a bag of gold. In the return as a penalty, he should pay the bag of gold because he didn't make his painting. Okay, first quarter. After hearing to the fourth quarter, first quarter. Indeed, yes, I agree, sir, that he should do. Yes, sir, I am also agreeing. Okay, whatever the bet he has done, till now he has not shown the painting in the court. So that's why we should have to ask him the penalty for the court, a bag of gold. I am agree with this decision. Third quarter. There is he. See here. There is he. Okay, if anyone comes suddenly, we are talking about that person. For example, we are talking about one boy. Sir, our friend didn't come today. You will tell something. Okay, in the class itself. So when we are talking about that boy, suddenly he enters into the class, and your friend will tell, what he will tell? Ah, sir, he came into the class, he was present in our class. Okay, like that. Now Tenali, now third part is telling, ah, there is he seems to have brought it, but it is covered with the cloth. Sir, ah, he came into the court, see there, but he did not come with the empty hands, he brought something in his hand covered with the cloth. Okay, now Tenali comes in with two men carrying a painting covered with a sheet of cloth. What he has done? Simply with empty hands he did come. Okay, he took some time to come to the court, but he brought something covered with the cloth. Next, when Tenali gestures, the men lifted the cloth to display an empty canvas. See here, empty canvas. Okay, he gave order to the Tenali gave order to the two men who were carrying the painting now. So it was just a canvas. See here, canvas. Canvas is nothing but a sheet of cloth, a sheet of hard cloth or a paper used for painting or something else. Okay, understood children? A piece of paper or a sheet of paper which is used for stitching the cloth or drawing the diagrams or whatever it may be. So he brought the empty cloth. The painting has only a few curved blocks of black on the right hand edge and a few green lines at the bottom below it. Okay, if you want to see the picture, you can refer the page number 60. In the page number 60, Tenali, okay, with the bald hairs, he is carrying one painting. In that painting, he has mentioned there is a strokes of black on the right hand edge and few green lines at the bottom below it. Okay, here is the painting showing to the Raja. Are you able to see the painting? This is the painting. Okay, next, Tenali. Good afternoon. They are waiting. King Raja is waiting from morning. Okay. Now the Tenali has entered into the court in the afternoon. He is respecting. He is respecting for the king. How he is respecting? Good afternoon, sir. See what a beautiful horse I have drawn. Okay. What is telling? What a beautiful horse I have drawn. I have made a bet for you that as much as good painting I will make. Okay, better than the artist he told. So he is explaining about the painting. Okay, about the painting he is explaining. The Tenali is explaining the horse is very beautiful. It's a magnificent black stallion with a white star on his forehead. On his forehead there is a stallion. Okay, magnificent black stallion with a white star. With a white star, it is there present on the forehead. Look at the polished leather saddle on it. Saddle. S-A-D-D-L-E. Saddle is nothing but when we are on the horse, when we want to climb the horse, there will be a foot peg. Okay, that is the saddle here. Next, I wonder if I should have the reins trail like that. Okay, next, turn the page number 60. The page number 60, all are able to see the picture. Yes. The king has sitting on the throne. Okay, remaining the courtiers are sitting, and in the middle of the court, the Tenali is standing with the painting. Okay, next, Raja is explaining. Raja is talking by seeing the painting. What the Raja is telling? What's this? I can't see a horse. By seeing the painting, by seeing the canvas, the Raja is telling. What is telling? I can't see a horse. This is very insulting. Tenali, you are insulting me. There is nothing on the painting. You are trying to make a fool for me. Okay, you are trying to make a fool for me. There is nothing on this canvas. Means there is nothing on the canvas. Raja is explaining. Now Tenali stands. What the Tenali is telling by hearing the words of the Raja here. Well, you were the one who told me that we had to use our imagination when we look at paintings. Sir, you only told us, sir, for us. When we are seeing the painting, okay, we should have to imagine all the parts. Okay, imagine that. Now I am explaining about my painting here. Imagine that the rest of the horse is just outside the canvas. Means the rest of the horse is outside the canvas, grazing at some lush green grass. Okay, especially the horses will eat the grass. Okay, so my horse is eating the grass that is out of the canvas. Look, you can see the edge of it, tail in that corner. Means in the canvas he has drawn only the tail. Okay, he has drawn remaining part also out of the canvas that is not seen. So sir, you should have to imagine that the horse is grazing the grass. Okay. Raja, you old rascal. Okay. Okay, with lovingly, not with angrily. The Raja is telling to the speaking with the Tenali, you old rascal. Okay, so rascal is not a bad word. Means it is the lovely word told by for our people. Okay, you have got the better for me. You have done something better for me. I have expected that no one had believed you, but one who in the court expected you that you will do something for me. Okay, minister, where is that bag of gold? Okay, and the Raja is telling for the minister, where is that bag of gold? Give it to Tenali Raman, the cleverest man in my kingdom. So by this, what is happening? The Raja is giving the title for the Tenali. What the title has given for the Tenali? The cleverest man in my kingdom. That is enough. So Raja has given the one bag of gold for the Tenali and has given the title as a cleverest man in my kingdom. So children, this is our lesson about the Tenali paints a horse. Okay, in this lesson, 3 characters. 3 means 4 quarters are there. One Raja and one artist and one Tenali. These persons are present. So in this lesson, I have explained before only the first scene. Today, I have explained the second scene of this lesson. Okay, I think all have understood the lesson. Okay, after completing the lesson, what is given here? Your duty is to write the meanings. Okay, write the meanings. Homework. Meanings of page number 60. Okay, how many meanings are there? There are 4 meanings. You should have to write the page number 60 meanings. Then afterwards, we will go to the vocabulary part now. Okay, vocabulary part. Children, everybody, what you should do means while I am teaching the lesson, you should handle a textbook. Along with the textbook, you should have to carry a pencil also. Okay, so after teaching the lesson, while I am teaching the lesson, I may give the difficult words also for you. So you should have to underline the difficult words and whatever the meanings I am writing or mentioning on the blackboard, you should also able to write in a roughly way with the pencil instead. No need of using the pens in the textbook. Okay, so vocabulary part. Okay, in the vocabulary, fill in the blanks with suitable words given below is there. Yes, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks are given. So, how many? 5 are there. Already the words are given in the box. The first one is covered. Second one is the imagination. Third is the gesture. Fourth one is the pleased. Fifth one is the penalty. So, here the sentences are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences. From these 5 sentences, dashes are present. So, which is the suitable word for the dash? You should have to write now. Okay, I will read the sentences and I will tell the answers on the blackboard. You just please note down in your notebook, textbook. Okay, first one. Okay, first one. See properly, children. First one is the Birbal was a dash in the court of Akbar. So, Birbal was a dash in the court of Akbar. Sir, in our lesson, Birbal was not. Tenali is there. So, Birbal, everybody. So, from primary classes we have learned Akbar, Birbal, Tenali, whatever. So these are the greatest people we have learned. So here we can tell he is one type of a jester. What is the meaning of jester? Jester is nothing but who tells the story and a jokes and a funny story. So Birbal is also a jester. First one is the jester. J-E-S-T-E-R. Okay, jester. So he will tell the funny stories and jokes. Okay, in the court of whose? Akbar. Tenali is the jester in the court of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay, in the court of Sri Krishna Devaraya. So first one is finished. Now the second one is see here. The teacher was dashed with the nice work done by his people. Pupil is nothing but people. P-U-P-I-L. People is nothing but students. Okay, people is nothing but students. Okay, S-P-E-L in our school is there. Yes, school people leader. School people, not school students. Students leader. All are the students from primary LKG to 10th class. All the students. So their leader. SPL. So people. So the teacher was a dash. What the word will come? Covered will come or imagination will come. Pleased or penalty? Pleased will come. Okay. The teacher was a pleased. 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 The pleased will come. Next. Third one. The teacher was pleased with the nice work done by his pupils. Okay. Third one. Sharda paid a dash for not paying the fee on time. Okay. Paid a dash. Say, if you are studying in the school, okay, if the first time fees is not paid, okay, what you should have to pay? Something. What is that? That is the penalty. In the same way, Sharda paid a dash, paid a penalty. For what she paid the penalty? Why? Because she didn't pay the fees in time. Okay, she did not pay the fees in time. That's why she paid a penalty. Sharda paid a penalty. Penalty, penalty. Okay. Next, fourth one. Children, see properly. Fourth one. When I visited Kashmir, the mountains were dashed with snow. Okay. We didn't go for the Kashmir. Okay. Just we will see in the television or in the movies. What you will see? Okay. Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. You will see or not? So everything is snow is there. Snow means ice. Okay, the mountains are dashed with ice. What the answer will come? Covered. Yes or no? The answer is covered. All the mountains were covered with snow. So fourth one is the covered. Covered. Okay, got it, children? Yes. Now the last one is the fifth one. What is that one? You should use your dash when you look at a painting. Okay, for example, I will tell you. When you are attending any function, yes, you are attending for the function. So you want to take a photo. You are taking the photo. Only the front part is seen and the back part you are not able to see. So at that time, what you should do? Your front part is seen. The back, behind part you should have to imagine. Got the answer? Now, what is this answer? You should use your imagination here. Imagination. 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 Got it, children? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the words you should have to write in the page number 61. Okay, along with the textbook, and you should have to copy in the notebook also, which was provided from the school. Okay, which were you taken from the school, you should have to write one time in your notebook. Okay, I have explained about the scene 2 and the vocabulary. And homework is your meaning from the page number 60. 4 meanings are there. Then afterwards, vocabulary part, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. I have written the fill in the blanks on the answers on the blackboard. Just you should have to note down in your textbook. So then afterwards, what you should do? You should have to write one time this fill in the blanks vocabulary part in your notebook. Okay. Next remaining vocabulary part I will explain you in the next class. Okay, children. Fine.